Welcome back. Controversial Sunburn event is yet to get state's permission, but the organisers have started selling tickets online. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar wants Sunburn to be held in Goa, but not at Kandoli. But Kalangut MLA is pressing for Kandoli as the party generates business for locals. He says the event can be held at Kandoli by putting certain regulations in place.
Be it organisers of Sunburn or people in the government, everybody wants Sunburn to happen in Goa. But where should it be organised? There is verbal dispute within the party in power. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar says he wants Sunburn to be in Goa but will make sure that it will not be organised at Kandoli Beach.
I'll tell you very frankly, Kandoli is not a place to have such type of event in Kandoli, that ground, which is a very small venue. Since last year I said, this year also I am firm with my decision and my opinion that 102% Sunburn will not held in Kandoli.
On the contrary, Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo claims Kandoli to be the best suited place for Sunburn. Shifting its venue to South Goa may create problems for the locals in South.
Dongarar काय करपाक जायना Sunburn festival. It has to be on the beach side. They require that atmosphere. It has to be people-friendly atmosphere. They dance for 3 days, so it is sandy place. So it is a good place for dancing. It is in the white sand. So Oslo other venue Southak basun kon dita jala people have to accept the festival. People have to be ready to listen to that hard sound. It is trance music. I don't think people from South Goa are used to this type of music.
Michael Lobo wants that the government must take him into confidence before taking any decision on Sunburn. On the other hand, organizer of Sunburn Harindra Singh has said that he is hopeful to get permission as it generates money for all. Organizers have started selling tickets with a condition that if they don't get the permission, money will be refunded.
The application is pending. We've gone live with tickets, as you might be aware, and the ticket sales carries a condition. It says clearly that we don't have the permissions yet. We've applied for permissions, and if you don't get the permission, if there's anything, there's a full refund. So we are completely clear.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Residents of Baga want their tenancy right. 7 households want ownership sanads. They claim that they are residing in these houses for more than 4 decades. Their case is pending before the court from last 40 years. The houses are on the land owned by Goa Tourism Development Corporation. Now the local MLA is mediating with the government for these families.
These are the 7 houses along the Baga seashore. The residents of these houses claim that they are residing here from many decades. However, they have no ownership. The land belongs to Goa Tourism Development Corporation. Locals claim that they can't even repair the houses. Moreover, most of the aged people are staying in these houses.
भितर उदक बसता सगळे न्हिदोंक मेळना सगळ्यांक घर पावता आख्खें घर पावता आख्ख्या घराचेर कापत घातल्या आमी रावल्या तिरे म्हणजे आमकां दिसलो आनी आमी घेतले म्हणून आमचे मातयेची घरां आसात आनी बश्ट्यो लाजयो घातलेल्यो आसात पावसाने उदीक भरता आमकां केन्नाय मोडोन पडत आमकां हें जावचें ना खंय वचोंक आमकां वाट ना आमकां धांवंक जाणट्यांक जायना केशी सगळ्यो जाणटे फुडल्यार आमचे माय पाय सगळीं वडिलां गेलीं आनी तीं घरां आमच्या पुर्वजांची तेणी दोंगराली माती हाडून तेणी घरांनी तीं घरां बांदलेलीं माथ्यार धरून आनी तीं घरांक लागून आमी झगडटा ते
आतां पळया आतां ही घरां आमची एक्वायर केली 1975 तेन्ना सावन आमी झगडटा मागीर केसीक घालता केसीक आमचे एवरी हियरिंगाक आमकां कितलो डिस्पेस जाता थोडेशें आतां आयज जाल्लें फाल्यां ना आमचे पाय माय सगळे मरोन गेले एकाच लागून सगळे घरांत हुस्को घेवन आतां आमचो टर्न येयलो तेंचे वाट.
Now local MLA Michael Lobo has taken note of it. He says that he has spoken with the tourism minister and the chief minister.
जे कोण एक्चुअल ऑक्युपाय करून बोल्ल्या तांकां तो जागो दिवचो. चीफ मिनिस्टर इज ऑल्सो पॉझिटिवली थिंकिंग ऑफ गिविंग दीस लँड टू देम. दे हॅव टू पे द प्रेझेंट रेट. जो तर तांकां 400 मीटर दिता वा 500 मीटर दे हॅव टू पे द प्रेझेंट रेट.
Shyam Sundar Fatti for Prudent.
Goa Police has moved a step ahead to implement crime and criminal tracking network and system project. Tata Consultancy Services has been chosen to electronically connect all police stations of the state. This will enable people to file complaints online and track the status of their complaint.
Goa Police will soon sign a 5-year contract with the Tata Consultancy Services to build up and maintain crime and criminal tracking network and system. Under this project, all 27 police stations of Goa will be connected and later it will be linked with 14,000 police stations across the country. This system will provide real-time crime and criminal information. This will also enable people to file complaints online, tracking the status of their complaints or cases registered at police stations, obtaining copies of FIRs, post-mortem reports and other permissible documents. The broad objective of the CCTNS project is to streamline investigation and prosecution processes, strengthen intelligence gathering machinery, improve public delivery system and citizen-friendly interface, nationwide sharing of information on crime and criminals and improving efficiency and effectiveness of police functioning. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.